And today I'm going to be making a video dedicated to my cat. Most amazing cat in the whole world. Lucky! Yay! I will show you today how laid back this cat is. Now I can do whatever I want to him. I didn't even like Kitty. He's like, oh crap, what are you going to do? Oh, he's so cool. Little kitty, kitty. Little kitty. Yay! Kitty power! Allie's climbing. He's like, I really hate you. Good boy. Now he's turning this way. Let's do it next for the camera. You're such a good boy. You love him so much. This is only a little bit if I lay back his. Watch. Here, you will be my baby. You will be my baby. Come here. You will be my baby. Listen like you were here. My little baby. I love him so much. Little prize. Paw. I love you so much. Good boy. He's like, when am I getting paid? Let's have a meeting this year, huh? Huh? You're very elegant. Sit, sit down. Good boy. Lay down. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You guys may think that I abuse this cat by loving him so much, but he doesn't really even care. Look at him. He's like, another day in the life of a cat. A really fat, adorable one. Just be nice to you now. Good boy. You're so sweet. Let's get a close-up on your knuckles. Oh my god, look at all the hair. If you guys can see it. There's like hair flying in the wind. Here's my little walkers. He is the actor that is in Me Nor Likey and You Look Stupid. He's my little sweetheart. My little sweetheart. My little sweetheart. He loves me too, I know he does. If he didn't love me, then why wouldn't he be scratching my eye? Oh, he's very curious. He's like, what is this thing that's moving and looks like me? Well, this is my video dedicated to Lucky's. And let's say goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.